Introducing the Tohnichi DOT1000I Torque Tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. With a wide torque range of 100 to 1000 lb/F, the 1000i can cater to various testing requirements across different industries. Its easy-to-read analog dial face provides clear and precise torque readings, ensuring accurate measurements every time. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and consistent torque application, enhancing testing efficiency and accuracy. Designed to be set horizontally, the torque tester eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the testing process and reducing potential errors. Effortless calibration is achieved by simply rotating the handle, ensuring precise and reliable measurements throughout its service life. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Tohnichi DOT1000I Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, analog dial display, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the 1000i and experience the confidence of accurate testing in your quality control and testing applications.